Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Tonight I'm making Little Caesars Crazy Puffs in my camp oven, and to make it a Thanksgiving friendly meal, I am using turkey pepperoni. Let's do it. All right, the first thing we need to do is get this oven preheated. We need this to get up to 450 degrees. So I'm just going to turn this up on high, and then we'll see where we're at. And yes, I am cooking inside the tent. It is cold, it is windy, and it is raining outside, so I'm not going to go out there to do this. But don't worry, I've got the windows open for ventilation. I've got a carbon monoxide detector. We're good to go. And if you're watching this, I survived. All right, you're going to need a muffin pan, some pizza crust, pepperoni, or whatever meat you want to use in yours. I've got some cheese and pizza sauce. You're also going to need some oil for your pan. All right, before we put anything in here, we need to put a little oil in the pan. Just a little bit of olive oil. Alright, let's get the dough out of here. I'm just going to cut some about the size of the bottom of the pan here. Maybe a little bigger than the bottom of the pan. That was a little crooked. It'll be all right. Get a little oil on your gloves or your fingers, and that'll keep the dough from sticking to your gloves or your hands. We're just going to lay these down in here. I'm just going to kind of push these down in a little bit. It might kind of look like that. Alright, now's where we come in with a little pizza sauce. You can use anywhere from a teaspoon to a tablespoon. I like mine kind of saucy. So. We need to put some cheese in now. I'm going with this mozzarella. I don't know why I got all that cheese out. I'm not using it all. I don't know how much cheese to tell you to put in here. I just eyeball it. You want to leave room because we're going to be layering this up. Pack that down just a little bit. Alright, now it's time for some pepperoni. But I like to put 3 on each layer. Ooh, these guys are curling up in there. That's okay, we'll weigh it down with some more cheese and sauce on the next layer. I'll do a very light sauce layer on top of these. How was y'all's Thanksgiving? Mine was amazing, even though the Chiefs lost. That's all right. I've pretty much already accepted that our season's probably over. But that's okay. I'm still a fan. I stuck through all those shitty years before now. Do another little light. I'm just gonna do a little light layer of sauce. I'm just gonna drop it on like that. It'll spread out as it bakes. A little more cheese. I need to put a little more in that first one. You spill half of it. No, I don't guess I didn't spill that much. Alright, another row of pepperoni. I'm going to do 3 more. These are really easy to make. It just takes some time. Short. Alright. Another layer of cheese. Then after this layer of cheese, I'm going to go with some of that Parmesan and throw that on the top. And we're going to pack this all down in there. And hopefully the oven is preheated enough. Oh, I'm getting light on the cheese here. Looking into the bag. Yeah, that's enough. That's good enough. Just want to kind of push them down in there. Oh my gosh. We'll just tear into it like a wild animal. It's fine. Alright, let's sprinkle this parm on the top. Alright, now let's pack this in. Let's go see where the oven's at. The oven's sitting around about 430 degrees, so I'm just going to go ahead and put these in. And we'll see what happens. I think it'll be just fine. Also, make sure you get the dirtiest gloves that you own to handle your food with. Jeez, I have new oven mitts, but I grabbed these. I don't know why. That's okay. I'm the only one eating them anyway. So it's all good. Ideally, these need to bake for 15 minutes at about 450 degrees. So I'm going to check mine in 15, and then we'll see where we're at. From there, they may need to go a little longer since the temperature's a little lower. But we'll see. But that's just amount of time for a safety meeting, so I'll be back with y'all in about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. The oven lost quite a bit of temperature, and it's been rolling between 350 and 375 this entire time. So let's see what we got here. They look pretty good. They're bubbling, but I need that top to get a little crispier. We're going to leave them in. We'll go 5 or 10 more minutes. I'll check them in 5. We'll see where we're at. I'm just going to set these down here to cool. Probably let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you try to check them out now, you're going to have a bad time. It's just going to be an ooey gooey mess, and you're probably going to burn yourself. So we want to let them sit up, and I'll be back with you in about 10 to 15 minutes to see how they came out. Just kind of go around the edges a little bit with a knife. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. Then I'll just pop out of there. Ooh, yeah. Looks perfect. So yeah, I mean, these baked between about 350 and 375. The temperature kept fluctuating. So I guess they went for a total of 20 minutes in there. They look great. There's the bottom crust. Everybody knows the food's ready. Well, come on, girl. Come on in. Come. Good girl. Get back. All right. Let's bite into one of these. Let's go for this one. That's good. You see the middle. That's really good. All right, instead of y'all watching me devour these, I'm going to do that in private. It was a good way to end Thanksgiving. I hope y'all had an amazing day. Comment down below what you think I should make in the camp oven next time.